On today's Trailside Bite, we have a summer-inspired Southwest salad. This salad has grilled chicken, fire-roasted corn, and other very refreshing, locally sourced ingredients. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, so for today's lunch, I brought my mom along for another adventure. We're gonna do a salad. It looks great. I can't wait to start cooking. I think I'm gonna handle the grill portion, and then I'll let you handle the
I'm gonna do the vegetables.
Prepping and vegetables.
Yes.
So let's divide and conquer.
So while the chicken and the corn are grilling, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the greens. So lettuce, tomatoes, onion, peppers, avocado. Love avocado. And then we're gonna add some canned black beans as well, just to add a little bit more protein and a great taste. We have orange pepper. I'm going to use just a little bit of that. It gives a great flavor. I'm going to chop this one pretty small. Next we have tomatoes.
With all these fresh ingredients, I try to incorporate these beautiful chopped red onions for a crisp crunch in the salad. Also, I love avocados, so incorporating this creamy avocado, we'll dice it, top it over the salad. For extra bit of protein, we decided to go with some black beans, since this is a Southwest inspired summer salad. Man, that looks great. On the grill, doing it really simple. I'm just gonna incorporate a cob of sweet corn, and then this chicken that I've marinated with avocado oil, chili powder, cayenne, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Just gonna let this fire roast for a little bit and get some color on the corn. And remember, when grilling chicken, don't have it too hot. You don't want to dry out the chicken. And always cook your chicken to an internal temperature of 165. Color on this chicken is great. After fully cooking it, dice it, place it on top of the salad for a great source of protein and added flavor. You can see the beautiful color that was placed on the corn from grilling it. Grilling it adds a nice smoky flavor to the corn and a beautiful presentation as well when you complete the salad. All of this, you top it with cheese and garnish with avocados and apply your favorite dressing. We hope you enjoy it.
Hey guys, if you enjoy these Trailside Bites, make sure to check out the other ones in the series. And just get inspired to cook while you're out on the open road and out adventuring. So enjoy.